Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for $5,000 monthly income. Many investors want to know how much money they need to build a portfolio that can generate steady monthly dividend income. So, in this example, we will calculate how much invested wealth may be required to earn $5,000 every month from dividends in a simple step-by-step way. First, we set the monthly income goal. Here, the target is $5,000 per month. In other words, the goal is to create a dividend portfolio that pays $5,000 each month as passive income. Next, we convert that monthly target into an annual income goal, because dividend yield is usually measured on a yearly basis. To do that, we multiply $5,000 by 12 months. As a result, the annual dividend income goal becomes $60,000 per year. After that, we choose an expected dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much annual income a portfolio produces compared to the amount invested. For example, if a portfolio yields 4%, it means it generates 4% of its value in dividends each year. Then, we apply the main formula. The required portfolio equals the annual dividend goal divided by the dividend yield. In this case, that means required portfolio equals $60,000 divided by the dividend yield. Now let's look at the worked example. If we assume a 4% dividend yield, we convert 4% into decimal form, which is 0.04. Then we divide $60,000 by 0.04. This gives us $1,500,000. Therefore, to earn $5,000 per month in dividends at a 4% yield, you would need about $1.5 million invested. However, the amount required changes depending on the dividend yield. For instance, at a 2% yield, you would need about $3 million invested. At a 3% yield, you would need around $2 million. At a 4% yield, the target is about $1,500,000. At a 5% yield, it drops to roughly $1,200,000. And at a 6% yield, you would need about $1 million. So, the higher the dividend yield, the lower the amount of money needed to reach the same income goal. Nevertheless, higher yields can sometimes involve higher risk. Therefore, it is important to focus not only on income but also on the quality, safety, and consistency of the dividend-paying investments. In addition, there are a few important points to remember. Dividend yields can change over time, and companies may reduce or stop dividends in difficult periods. Also, taxes, fees, and inflation may reduce the actual income you keep. That is why careful research and realistic expectations are very important. Furthermore, reinvesting dividends can help your portfolio grow faster over time. By using dividend payments to buy more shares, you may increase future dividend income and move closer to your long-term financial goals. So, the quick takeaway is simple. Start with your monthly income goal, multiply it by 12 to get the annual dividend target, and then divide that number by your expected dividend yield. For a $5,000 monthly income goal, the annual target is $60,000, and at a 4% yield, the estimated wealth target is $1,500,000. Finally, please remember that this example is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Actual results will vary depending on market conditions, dividend policies, taxes, and the investments you choose. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.